Good afternoon, everyone here in Discovery Island. If you can hear my voice, you want to take a look at the front of the Tree of Life right now, because you might have noticed we've been joined by some beautiful guests that's going a long way to come see all of you here, right now. This is Winging Towers. Trust me, this will be the highlight of your day, the best several minutes. You won't want to miss it out, because who here came to Animal Kingdom to see animals today? Alright, come on, feel free to fill in all this space. You guys are so far away from me. Come on, the party's over here. Come join the party. So cool that you get to see all of these amazing birds. Now to start us off too, does anyone know what kind of birds these are? And that's a parrot, exactly right. More specifically, these are macaws that are flying on in. Now, on our planet, there are 17 species of macaw, but joining us today are 3 of them. The 2 red ones that you see over here, these are scarlet macaws. The one up there, that is a blue and gold macaw. His name is Colson. But the one that I want to point out, everyone, turn around and look at those 2 little blue ones over there. Their names, get ready for this, Lilo and Stitch. I know, it's so adorable. And the really cool thing about Lilo and Stitch is that they're what we call blue-throated macaws. They are the rarest species of macaw left in the wild today. So it's so cool that you get to see them right here in person. So I highly recommend everyone, definitely have your phones and cameras up. Take photos, take videos, because these guys will be flying inches over your head just like that. And you might have noticed too, it's not just the birds that we have on the Winging Hammers team, we also have some people as well. We got Caitlin at the rocks over there with a bunch of birds. We also got Paula and also Nathan outside over with all of you. My name is Robert. We're all avian trainers and conservationists here in Discovery Island, and every single day we get to work with birds just like Lilo and Stitch to build relationships with them, to train, to care for them so that we can provide them the highest quality of welfare. And we love what we get to do, and it's such a dream to get to see the looks on your faces when we get to see birds like Lilo and Stitch. But let me tell you this, as adorable as Lilo and Stitch are, they do look really cute. That small body of them comes with a big personality, and that's why we say macaws are probably the biggest challenge you could ever bring into your home as a pet. Does anyone want to guess what a complaint might be with having a macaw in the house? Again, shout it out. I know, it's the noise, exactly right. These guys are really loud. They're kind of like an alarm clock you might have used this morning to come to Animal Kingdom, except if you guys look at all the birds here, I do not see a snooze button on them. So they'll be calling on and off throughout the entire day. Imagine how annoying that must be, trying to sleep in or trying to go to sleep. That's not going to happen anytime soon. And not only that, but these birds are really messy. They don't clean up after themselves. That provides great job security for us as trainers, but when it comes to them being in the house, that's something we definitely don't want. And lastly, they are highly destructive too. That beak of theirs in the wild that they train on trees, on nuts, and on seeds. But if their whole wealth is in your house, they're going to be chewing on stuff that they can find inside. And I'm talking about your furniture. So those tables, those chairs, even let's say drywall through they didn't know to tunnel through. It's super destructive. Not only that, anything that you guys pay good money for, they'll probably chew and destroy. And lastly, birds like this, they'll be living for decades as well. So we say, you know what? Enjoy parrots because they are so beautiful. Look at them on the rocks over there. That is so gorgeous. And look at Lilo and Stitch over here. But enjoy them at places like Animal Kingdom. We always say, keep your mom's parrot free. You're going to probably thank us for that tip later on. And if you just want to see macaws coming over here to Winging Hammers, we will get your parrot fixed right away. And guys, the best part is yet to come, so you're going to want to stick around and fill in all this space over here. This is prime real estate for the best photo and experience of the day. It will truly blow your mind. So come on over here. We got it. And also take a photo of all the birds that you see around you, because you know what? Sites like this are getting harder to find in the wild. We have macaws disappearing because of the illegal pet trade, deforestation, especially birds like Lilo and Stitch. Like I said, they're blue-throated macaws. They're the rarest species of macaw out there. There's only fewer than 300 of them out there. There's more of you right now than there are blue-throats in the wild. But it's not all bad news, because we're actually working with the World Parrot Trust, and they are doing some incredible work They're actually free and clear those costs just like Lilo and Stitch. Alright, how cool is all this? It's pretty neat, right? And like I said, you guys have around 3 seconds to migrate over if you haven't already. Hit your phones and camera side too, and if you have video mode, put it in slow motion. These birds are fully flighted and they get to take their adventures wherever they choose to go. And if they want to go to safari, they can do that too. If they want to go to Everest, they also have that choice. It's really cool because watch, these birds take flight. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful sight. Thank you so much for joining us for Winged Encounters. We'll be back here at 2:30, 3:30 today. And if you have any questions, come on up and ask.